Alright, so I came home, and the last thing I want to do after a 15-hour day at work is open my bag and pull out my computer and turn it on. But corrections have to be made. I'm a physics engineer. I work with optical transmission devices. This is the visual light spectrum, okay? This is your infrared wavelengths. This is your ultraviolet wavelengths. When you draw out the waveform, doesn't it look like these three are really condensed and these four are more big? And if you read it backwards, it's a 34. Because these ones are more blue and these ones are more red. Because the closer you are to heaven, the more crazy the light's going to be. And then the further you get it out, the more it stretches out before it becomes flat. Flat. Like your flat earth. So the 34 is a depiction of a circle 33, where the blue and the red unite as one. Or the ultraviolet and the infrared unite as one. Black and white, knowledge and spirit. Okay, the cosine's blue because that's where we need to go. Okay? Like that. Okay? To an S, and then flipped, you have to go 90 degrees, so it's going to look like that. Which means, yes, that's what I needed. Because then you get this. Okay? To create balance. Okay, which is your 8. Okay? So when you flip it, what you're actually depicting is the 8. Okay? And because we have a blue line here, we know our cosine is going to have a red dot, and a red dot, because we want to make the V, guys. Okay, and this is a depiction of the Vesica Pisces. Okay? Again, we have, you can't forget about the line of balance, and you're looking at it from a different point of view, but it's upside down, backwards, and flip. When you look at the V from a different point of view, cosine, where we're supposed to be going, you get this. Okay? This is the reverse of this. Okay? Because we have a circle, a dot, a circle, a dot, a circle, and here we have a dot, a circle, a dot, a circle, and a dot. This is a depiction of a fly speck. This is a depiction of something else. Okay? Our proper zodiac. Okay? And because, okay, so let's just keep the colors going because it's important. So that was blue. Upside down, it's still going to be blue. And flipped means it's red, guys. The earth is red. Okay? This will be red. Okay? Now the female, there's 3. And the blue, there's 2. Okay? The red gets pushed out, let's say. Okay? I'm just trying to envision this. So, when you go from, like stage 1 is here. The V, the cosine. And this is the result. End result. Okay? So this is the beginning of the second stage. When you reverse everything, okay, you're going to get this, but you're going to push out the red. So you're going to push out the red. Okay, but since you went from blue to red, okay, well, blue must be pushed out. Think about this, Kevin, hard. V, upside down, backwards. So that is, that's right. See, corrections, guys. It's the only way it works. And here there's I'll make sure 2 and 2, I guess, you know? One, two, three, four, five, six. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that reminds me of stuff. Oh, n plus 3 is the dot. Broken into... It's a 0th dimensional singularity, expanding out in 12 different one-dimensional lines. In the X, Y, and Z planes. This is a node, guys. That's a node of a larger shape. That's what that depicts. Interesting. At the end of the day, it doesn't matter what colors they really are, because all I want to get at is that you have an 8 that's doubly circled, as well as a 33 that's singly circled. Okay? Very important. These two things. I'm going to show you why. Right now. Please. You ready? Remember this? These numbers are wrong. These numbers are wrong. Okay, remember? Let's correct them, guys. That's what we're here for. Okay, so we got 4, 5, 13, 28. Yeah, 50, 91, 110. Oh, right there. You gotta go do that. That one right here is wrong. It's obviously 340, guys. Okay, and the next one is 659. So 659. Enter. Excellent. Okay, and these ones down here I didn't do because I got lazy, guys. Because I know the cipher, but I haven't done it yet, and I'll do it later. Okay. You know, I know these ones. I have the cipher. It doesn't really matter right now what these numbers are. It will in a bit when I do it this weekend. Alright, so here we are. Hey, look at that number. Wow, that looks like this. That's what that looks like to me. That's not what it looks like. You can make it right click. Alright, there we go. 9. Okay, what's a 9? Alright, so we'll just add these ones in because why not? Because I'm here doing stuff and, you know, corrections and whatnot. Okay, long day, whatever. It's obvious what these numbers are, right? Yeah. I know. You know, I can keep going, but I'm going to stop. Alright, so these equations down here have italicized because the numbers were incorrect, okay? There's your 911. Right there. Eureka, guys, it was bugging me. 2 circles around the 8. 2 circles around the 8, and here I only have 1. But I see it now, the 911. Because, where am I? Because you're going to make this 65, 9, okay? What that means is that, really? I did the wrong one. Anyway, what that means is you're going to make this. And when you make this an 11, because you have to realize that this is actually... Right? Okay? So when you make an 11, you need to get rid of that circle. Because this one's doubly circled, this one's doubly circled. So what that does is it creates
a 1 is equal to a 3. Okay? What that does is makes one half of the circle and the other half of the circle. It makes a 1 as a 3. Okay? It's back to this. Yeah, not this, guys. It's back to this. It makes this. It makes the circle, the red circle that goes all the way around it. And that's what I just did. Alright, just for completeness, when these colors flip here, this means that this gets circled by a blue. And when it gets flipped, it gets circled by blue. That's why when the red goes out, it pushes it out.